Yeah. Okay. So, students, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. So, what you are seeing in this photo? Can anyone see? What is the name?
Favorite fruits.
Very,
Favorite fruits.
very good. What is your name? Who is answering me?
Muhammad Zahid.
Mohammed
Muhammad
Zahid.
Zahid.
Okay, Mohammed Zahid. So other students, we are going to create the list. What is the list data type? Not only fruits, you can create your favorite subjects, then it's numbers, your favorite numbers, like a collection of data. Like so string means only one value you will store. Number means only integer means only one value you will store in the data type. What is the list data type means? It is a collection of data. Either it can be a string or it can be a number or anything. Okay, yeah. So now let's open your edu blocks. So other students, just go to this link I already gave, right? app.edublocks.org. app.edublocks.org.
I registered, sir. I
Okay,
registered it.
very good, very good. Okay, if you come here, you can see the Python 3. Just select that Python 3, then you can give title. You can select the Python or you can create new project. Okay, you can create a new project also fine. You can select Python.
What name? What name should we put?
You can give any name. I'll give as a data type. Data type, any name you
Okay.
can give. You can give list, data type, give any name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, just click save. Once you registered, logged in, you can click save so that you can see. Once you save, if you go to projects, that whatever code you done, it will be saved here. Okay, so that is the use of login. If you log in here, then you can save your project. I can go to project. I can select that what is the file name I gave. The same file name I can open here. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a list data type. You can see here left hand side one panel is there, list, right? Left hand side one panel, you can see in the left panel one item, menu item, this list. If you click that list, you can see lot of blocks. So now I want my,
Sir,
yeah.
sir, in EduBlocks, the project is Python, right?
Yeah. A do block,
Okay.
select the project and give file name, anything. In the top, you
Okay.
can give data type or whatever you want. You can give. If you log in, click the save button so that if you can find the project, it will be saved in the Edu blocks. Okay. So once you came
What is the
here,
meaning of 1, 2, 3, 4?
yeah. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, but we will change it. Okay. So all other students, have you started your Edu blocks and you have drag and drop this my list? Log into edu blocks and click this
Yeah,
list.
I drag and dropped it.
Yeah,
Sir,
okay,
sir.
drag and drop it. Okay, now you can rename. Okay, is it done? Nihal, Lukman, who is there?
Yes.
Hafaf. Okay,
Yes, sir, done.
okay, Nihal is there. Who are the what are the students?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, okay, all answer. Okay, not only Zahid, everybody, whenever I ask question, all student has to answer. Okay, so that will be interactive. So now once you drag and drop, you have to rename. Okay, what we are going to do, we can add the favorite fruits. So just you have to rename to favorite fruits. So this we are going to create, this data type we are going to create. So now
We
here,
need to click on new variable or
no,
rename variable.
rename variable. Just click rename variable. It will ask what is your name. You can give like this favor, right? So this name, if favorite fruit, favorite fruit.
My list changed to favorite
Favorite.
fruit.
Very good. Okay. Now favorite fruits is there. In the favorite fruit,
Do we need to put the dash?
no dash, underscore. Yeah, that is not dash. You give underscore. Okay, because two words are there. When the two words are there, you cannot give continuously. You have to give hyphen or underscore. Okay, so that you can differentiate. This is like a best practice. It's like a standard. You have to give hyphen or underscore when two words are there. Like first name means first underscore name, favorite underscore fruits. So like that you have to give. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah, okay.
We can also put it in the middle.
You can give anywhere, no problem. Okay, so okay, now after adding favorite fruits, you have to add instead of 1 2 3 4 5, right? Just double click here, it will get selected. Now delete it, we don't want. So now you can add double quotes here, double quotes, and add your fruit name apple.
What is the meaning of double quotes?
Double quotes I teach you is a string. Double quotes if you're giving means it will take that you're giving string data type. So if you can add 1 2 3, double quotes are not required. 1 2 3 4 5, no double quote required. But when you're giving alphabet A B C D, right? So that alphabet you are giving, you have to mention inside the double quotes. So inside double quotes you can give apple. Okay. Then next is, what is your favorite fruit? Take
Orange.
Mango.
orange. Banana.
Sir,
Okay.
We need to
apple,
put comma.
orange, banana,
Banana,
mango.
mango. You can give any number. There is no limit. Mango. Any other fruit? Grapes.
Apple.
Orange.
Orange already gave. Okay. So grapes. Mango, apple,
Watermelon.
watermelon. Watermelon. No, it will come. Okay. So if you give here, you can see your code is generated like this. Okay. If you want to print, if you want to print it, you can give print. So if you want to print, there is a statement is there. Enough. So here you can select. So once you create that the favorite fruit variable, okay. Once you created, if you click blocks, your code will be hidden. Okay. Then you can see your entire code. Okay. If you click split means it will show code and it will show blocks. You want to see only blocks, click blocks. You want to see only code, click codes. I want to see only code. Those who are using Visual Studio, you can copy this. Okay, you can copy this and you can run in Visual Studio also. Here I can paste it. Got it? Don't give space. Make sure there is no space before. Like that you can paste and you can run it here. Those who are using Visual Studio. But most of the students like build Edu blocks. That's why I'm going with Edu blocks. So now I have created the favorite fruit. I want to see, I want to print it. How I can print? Same way, statement, print variable.
Print variable.
Print variable, but change the variable name to favorite fruit.
Okay. One
Okay.
second.
Yeah, I'll give time. So others, just follow me. Okay. So just drag the list.
Can we put the dash?
You can put anything, even though this underscore is not important, but that is a best practice. Okay. So whenever, for what is best practice? So your teacher is telling whenever you are writing your note, whenever you start a paragraph, you have to give some space, right? So before starting the paragraph, you have to give little space. What is that? To clean the neatness of your handwriting. So like that, whenever you are creating the coding, we are doing the coding, you have to follow some best practice. So you can give hyphen also fine, dash also fine. Okay, but don't give continuously. So if I give favorite fruit continuously, it look ugly. People will confuse. So two words whenever you are creating the variable, you have to give either
The
underscore or
error
hyphen.
is error is showing that bad input on line 3 in main py.
Yeah, the problem is you didn't give the underscore properly. Check your underscore. Sorry, this is double quotes. Okay. If you forget to give double, for example, I'll remove one double quotes. I didn't give remove double quotes. When I try to run, I will get error. So you'll get bad input on line 3 main pi because I forget to give double quotes. So this
But
error will,
I put double quote for
you
every
gave,
letter, but
okay, you
I gave space.
don't give space, no issues, but you forget to give comma. Okay. If you forget to give comma also, it will throw the error.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, when I run the code, only favorite fruits is coming. Like the fruits name are
Yeah, the
not.
problem here is you use, when you select the statement, you select the double quotes. So this is like print, don't select first print, select second print. Second
So, but
print
I
is,
took. Oh, okay. So I should not take the one with the double
no.
quotes.
Double quotes is a static content. You cannot change
Okay.
it. You cannot see here, you can see double quotes. Don't take, you throw it away. You throw like this. So take that second print. Second print is the variable which you have defined here. So that variable you have to mention here. Got it? Yeah. Okay. This is a simple.
Yes, sir, it came.
It's showing me orange, mango, apple, grapes. What I listed.
Very good. Okay. So whatever you listed, you are giving. So
So could you
here,
show it in code?
yeah,
Could you show what you've written in code?
yeah. Code is automatically same thing. Favorite fruits equal to curly bracket. So this is called array. Whenever you are doing the list, you have to put the open bracket and close bracket. That is called array. In the technical term we are calling as a array. So here this open bracket list you have to define with open bracket and close bracket. Inside that, with the comma separated, either you can give alphabet or 1 2 3. You can give both. For example, I want my favorite numbers. Okay, or I want my marks. So how I can create, can anyone tell? I want my marks.
Sir, can you
Tell me.
do this in visual code and show it?
Yeah, visual code is simple. Say visual code, listen. So open your visual code. I'll remove everything. Okay, just create a variable, favorite fruits or my fruits, anything you can give. I'm giving my fruits. Okay, my fruits. The variable can be anything. You don't have to give exactly favorite fruit. I can give my fruits. Okay, or best fruits. I like fruits. Anything you can give. My fruits equal to, but don't forget to give this open bracket. Whenever just click open, automatically it came. So inside that, click double quotes, shift, and if you click double quotes, automatically the second quotes also will come here.
Sir, we don't need to put input and all.
No, 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 no. This is like a defining. You are defining input means you are getting the value from the user. But here you are not asking
I
anything
put
from
it.
user. Okay. Here you
I copied it. Can you hear me? I copied it from the
hmm,
Vedu blocks and pasted in the
Visual Studio.
Visual Code,
Yeah.
but it's not. It's showing that code language not supported or defined.
Yeah, because you didn't create .py extension. Okay. So if you have to create one file name and you have to store with .py means Python. Then if you add some other language, it won't support. Okay, make sure you have created the file name with any file name like
Can
data
I
type.
screen share?
No, no, no,
Because
because
I can't understand.
okay, you just go with the edu blocks. Okay, after once the class is completed, then I will you can screen the share your screen. Okay, because all other students are waiting, right? So you just whatever issues you are facing, just hold on. After once your class is completed, then you can start share your screen. Okay, so for
Okay.
time being, you go with edu blocks. Okay, maybe you have done some mistake, will copy paste. So who asked, Nihal or Lukman, who asked you want to do Visual Studio Code?
Sir, me.
What is your name?
Sir, Afaf.
Hafaf. Okay, Hafaf, when you come to the Visual Studio, just type favorite fruits. Okay, or
Yes,
my
sir.
fruits. If the name is very big, just put my fruits. Okay, like
Yes, sir.
then
I put even the fruits I put, but I'm not sure what to do the next line
next time,
for
next.
the list.
Okay, so for the list, you have to open bracket. Always when you click open bracket, automatically close bracket will come in Visual Studio. Okay, so that is why we have to use Visual Studio. It is like a intelligent. It know what you want. Whenever you open bracket, automatically it will do close bracket. Then when you we have different color code also. So if I put double quotes, then automatically came then apple. After that comma, then double quotes, banana, then after that mango, like that you can do in Visual Studio. If you want to print my fruits. Okay, that's all. If you run, then it will get printed. I don't want this code. I'll remove this code, old code. I'll keep the new code. Okay, so now if I print, it will print the apple, banana, mango. Got it?
Oh, okay, sir. So only in edu blocks we have to put list and all.
No, no, edu blocks also we are not putting list. Edu blocks, what we are putting here, we are not putting list. Yeah, head to blocks we are only drag and drop, but this is the code. The favorite fruit, open bracket, close bracket, give all your fruits name and you are printing.
Okay,
Under-
sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to know how many fruits are there, there is a method called count. If I type count, it will throw you list of values. I'll explain. Okay. First we'll print the values, then I'll explain how we can proceed next. Okay. So now I
Can
have,
you show in the edu blocks
yeah.
without visual code?
Yes. That's why people will confuse. Just go through with Edu blocks. Then Visual Studio is easy only. You just click a code and copy and paste it Visual Studio. It will create. It will work. Okay. Okay. This is the Edu blocks. Just follow. All students follow with Edu blocks because it is very easy. You can go to app.edublocks.org. Then this link. Then you can access. Okay. Visual Studio we can do it later. No problem. So just all follow one tool. Otherwise you will get confused. app.edublocks.org. I have done the favorite fruit. What is the favorite fruit and print favorite fruits. Got it? All are done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we completed this code.
Now this code is fine. Okay. Okay. So now how I can run my favorite numbers. Okay. Same way. If you go to list, I click my list and put here. Then you can rename your variable here. Fa favorite numbers. My favorite, what are my favorite numbers? So here we don't want double quotes. I can give my favorite number is 12, 15, or instead of favorite number, my marks. That will be good. My marks. Okay, my marks. So what is your marks you got in your annual? So in my language, I got 90, and my English 85, like that. Here double quote is not required. So you noticed here, here.
Don't know my marks.
Yeah, no problem. Give any mark, random marks. Okay, 70 and 80. So like that you can give and you can print your marks. So to printing, just duplicate. I'm not dragging drop again. The same block you want to use, just right click and duplicate and just change your variable, my marks. Okay. Okay. So when I
A is
run,
equal to
yeah, I got my marks and my
200.
favorite fruits. Just do it and let me know once you're done.
Done, sir.
Done? Other student done?
Yes, done, sir.
Okay.
I didn't print my marks,
Hmm.
but I put 200.
Where you put 200? Yeah, 200 comma. Here you will notice here why I'm telling here for numbers we don't have to give comma. Okay. But for alphabets you have to give comma. So here we have to give
I didn't
not comma,
told
double
that
quotes.
doubt.
Ah,
I asked that
hmm.
my in my marks I only put a 200.
You didn't
Nothing
give
I put.
comma. Ah, yeah, no problem. It is a only list is
Just
one.
200.
Hmm, hmm. Okay.
Just 200.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so here you have you just 200 for a string. For alphabet you have to give double quotes. That for number we don't have to give double quotes. That is the only difference. So here you can give collection of numbers. Here we are giving collection of fruits. That is a string. So how much? How
It's
many?
throwing me error.
What error you are getting?
Name favorite fruit is not defined on line 4 in main py.
Yeah, because you check you have defined the favorite fruit or not. You didn't create a favorite fruit. Check your spelling. Here you are giving something. Here you have missed. Maybe you missed yes. Okay. Here the name both places it should be a same name. If you mismatch any name, it will be error. Okay.
But I I didn't change the first my favorite fruit I didn't change it, but it automatically changed.
Okay. Just check it. Check it. It won't do automatically. You have to correct it. Okay. Next, I want to print what is my length? What is the length of my, how many fruits are there? That is a one variable called length, one method called length. Let me print it. Okay. So print, I'll put, I'll copy favorite fruits, I'll paste here.
It's again showing me that only.
Mm.
That
Okay,
error
just
only.
just look at my screen, do it same. If you done some mistake, it will throw error. So just look at other student, it is working fine for other student.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, you
sir.
have done some spelling mistake or some error. Okay. So here
Spelling
the,
mistake also it will throw error.
yes, spelling mistake, everything it will be throw error. Okay. For example, I want to know how many fruits are there. That method is not there in
It
Edu
is
blocks.
automatically changing.
Okay. See, so there is a method called length method. So len method. Okay. So in other languages, in the list we are giving size and length, but in Python there is a len method. So what is a len method will do? That is like
Oh.
a inbuilt function. So len method, if I pass the list, it will give what is the size of the list. Here I have give only three fruits I gave. Again, if I give one more fruit, for example, apple, banana, mango, orange. If I give orange, then when I run the same code again, this length method will give what is the size of the list. Okay. So this is the list. Only you have to understood. So Zahid, if you're not working, don't worry. You just listen and understood. So if this class is getting recorded, then after that you can check it. Okay. How you, what mistake you have done and what you have done. Other. Okay. I'll copy this code. I will give this code into your chat box so that you can try. This is the code. You copy that code and in the Visual Studio Code, you paste it and run. It should work. Okay. Okay. Next is we have completed the list. What is the next data type is the dictionary. Okay. So you don't follow, just listen me. I'll throw everything away. I have all you done, right? You understood what is list, how to create list. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because
New
here
list.
I cannot see the length method. Length method is coming with double quotes. You can see here. So length method is coming with double quotes. I want to print length without double quotes. The block is not there in Edu blocks. So that's why I showed that in the Visual Studio Code itself. That's why I recommend to use Visual Studio Code. But some student want to go with Edu blocks. No problem. Another 2 or 3 session we'll go with Edu block. When we develop the turtle race game, that time we go with Visual Studio. Okay. So now list is completed. Next data type is dictionary. Okay. So for that, let's see. Dictionary means I will take any one student who is I will take Zahid, Mohammed Zahid, right? Who is actively speaking now. What is your name? Zahid, right?
Muhammad Zahid.
Mohammed
Yeah.
Zahid. Okay. So now I want to create the details about the Zahid in one variable. Okay. What is his full name? What is his age? Which country he belongs to? What is his native language? And which city he is living? Which school he is studying? So all the details of Zahid, I want to store in single variable. So that I can do with dictionary. Got it? So dictionary is like a key and value pair. Okay, it having key and value. For example, instead of that, first I will explain the capital cities. Okay, I will create one variable. I will create one variable. Just listen, don't do anything. Just listen. Okay, I am just clicking variable a menu item here and create variable. Then I'm giving the name of the variable is capitals. Okay, capitals. Okay, so now I'm drag and drop capitals variable, yeah, capital, not only capital equal to. Okay, so now capital equal to, so for list we have to give open and close bracket. For dictionary we have to give curly bracket. Okay, you have to check the difference. For list I have to give open bracket, it's normal bracket. But
So
for
what is capitals used for?
I will tell you, this is only like a variable name. So how favorite fruits we give, there's like a variable name. Just listen, what is the capital used for, I will tell you. Okay, now I'll show the code. I'll stop it. When you see the code, you can see it is like a variable name only. Okay, how we have created the favorite fruit, my marks, like a variable. This is name. You can give anything, my capital countries, like that, any name. So we are going to create one variable which holds country name and what is the capital city of the country. Okay, so that we are going to create. So it's like a key and value pair. Like english we have, right, what is the word and what is the synonyms, that is called dictionary. So like that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the country name in the first place, like a left hand side of what is, like, I will give Afghanistan. And what is the city of Afghanistan, anybody knows? So I have to give colon, then again I have to open and close bracket. What is the capital city of Afghanistan? Who knows?
I don't even know Afghanistan.
Okay, good. It's a country, Kabul.
It's
Okay.
Kabul.
Okay, now I ask, what is the city name of India? What is the capital of India?
It's not New Delhi.
Delhi, Delhi.
Sir,
Yeah,
I have a
Delhi.
problem.
yeah.
Sir, I'm using Visual Code and it's showing Python is not installed. So I clicked on install and
Mm,
it took me to the Python official website.
mm,
Told me to download 3.10.4 and I
mm,
downloaded it. And should I add it to my path?
mm. Okay, okay, no problem. Now you focus on Edu blocks. After this session, then I will spend, who are all facing issue with that Visual Studio, I will try to fix you. Okay.
Okay.
Those who are having issues, don't go after 5 o'clock. Stay tuned here, stay connected here. Then 5 to 5:15, I will try to fix your issues. You can share your screen. I will help you. Okay. Okay. So now Afghanistan city here. Look carefully here. So here I have created one variable, but I didn't give the open bracket. I have given curly bracket. So this curly bracket mainly to create a dictionary. So you can, like English dictionary, we have word and synonyms like key value pair, right? So like that, I have for left hand side, I am giving what is the country name, and what is the right hand side, I am giving what is the capital city of the country. So same way I am giving India and
For
New
any
Delhi.
time we give something for like a place, we put curly bracket, right?
Now curly bracket, it is used to create like a object. So we are going to create one dictionary. So what is the dictionary here? It's country city dictionary. So you are mentioning country name and you are giving city name. So here you have to give curly bracket and you have to close the curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, you have to give with the double quotes and what is your country name and colon, again double quotes, what
So
is the
if we
capital
put
city.
normal bracket, will it show error?
Normal bracket, it will consider as a list. So if you give normal bracket, it will consider as a list. That's why you have to give curly bracket. I will note down
Okay,
here.
sir.
Okay. So here you can see this is the curly bracket. Let me move this. Okay, so this is the curly bracket. So first step is you have to give curly bracket and double quotes, then key is your country name and close the double quotes and add the one colon, that is separate, it will separate between two key. This is called as a key. Okay, and this is my key and this is my value. Okay, this is one data. So like that, you can give hundreds of city name, hundreds of country you can give. This is only one country. After completion of each record, you have to put one comma. Okay, so this is one record, Afghanistan and colon Kabul is the one record. So like that, I can create Bangladesh, I can create Egypt, India, Pakistan. So like that, n number of I can create a big list. So when I give capital and if I give country name, automatically it will give the city name. You understood what is this? Curly bracket is used to create the dictionary in Python. So don't forget to close the curly bracket. You have to open the curly bracket and you have to close the curly bracket. So in the list, you have to open the normal bracket and you have to close with normal bracket for list. But for dictionary, you have to use the curly bracket. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now come to Edu blocks. I have given Afghanistan, Kabul, and India, Delhi. Two country only I gave. So next thing is I want to print what are the dictionaries. So for example, then I am going to statement. I am dragging. Don't click the double quotes. Without double quotes, you have to click. Now variable name, I am giving capitals. Okay. So now run it. When I run, I got it the dictionary. So Kabul, Afghanistan, Kabul, India, New Delhi. For example, I want to know, I don't want all the list. I'm not interested to see all the list. I just want to know what is the capital of India. So for that, what you have to give, you have to, after capitals, you have to open normal bracket and inside the double quotes, you have to give country name, India. Then close the double brackets and double quotes and close the normal bracket. Got it? So when I run this, I got New Delhi. Okay, same way if I give Afghanistan, I'll copy Afghanistan. Okay, then if I stop, I'll run again. I got Kabul. Okay, so this is like a little tricky. You're giving country and city name. I will create very simple object. Okay, I will create a simple object. I will take Zahid record. As I said before, first I will going to create the new variable. Zahid, what is your spelling? ZA?
That?
What is your spelling? ZAHID, yeah?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
ZAHID.
ZAHID. Okay. So now I took the Zahid. Okay. So now I'm opening the open bracket and close bracket. I'm asking full name. I'm creating like full name. What is the full name of Zahid? When I'm using two words, you have to separate by underscore. Okay. So when you're using
Full
two words,
name.
full name. Okay. So full name or anything, if you give full name, I'm giving Zahid full name is Muhammad Zahid, right? Muhammad Zahid.
MUHA, not MO.
Okay, Muhammed, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, now again, okay, after full name, I want to create age. Okay, age
Age is 9.
9. Okay, for numbers, you don't have to give the this one double quotes. Directly you
Double
can give.
code.
No, not required. Numbers, it is not required. Okay, so here age you have to give double quotes. See here, it is throwing error. Age is not defined. So age you have to give double quotes, but number you don't have to give double quotes. Stop, run. Okay, it is fine, running fine. So now age I give. So you
It's
belongs
not
to.
showing anything.
No, we are
It's
not
not
printing
showing
now.
anything.
Yeah, we are not printing now. I will print. Hold on. So now age I print. So after that, what I can I want to know about you. So you belongs to which country? Country. I
I
want
belong to Chennai,
no country, India. Okay,
India.
India. Okay, so India I give. Again I give comma. Whenever I add new record, I have to add comma. Comma again I am giving double quote city. So city you belongs to Chennai.
Chennai.
Okay. So currently you are living in which city? Dubai or Sharjah? Living. Living city.
Living in Chennai only.
Oh, living in Chennai. You are in living Chennai. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Okay. So now, okay. What is your language? Native
Mother
language.
tongue you are asking?
Yes. Mother tongue.
Urdu.
Urdu. Okay. See. So now I have created the complete record of Zahid. Okay. So if I want to print Zahid belongs to which country? So how I can print? Simple. I am going there. I am calling print variable. Here I am giving Zahid and open bracket in double quotes. I am giving country. Okay. That's all.
It
So
will
I am
only give my country where I live.
yeah. Here what country I give, that country only you give. Okay, for example, if I run
It's
Zahid,
giving error.
yeah, giving error because I have done any mistake. Print Zahid and open and create bad input on line number 3. Mm, okay, so the problem here is Zahid, correct only what I give. Country is any spelling? Okay, I'll give age. Zahid, age. print.
It's
Should be an
giving
error.
error.
Let me open in Visual Studio. Visual Studio give correct where exactly where error is there. I will print in Visual Studio. Here the problem here is here I gave instead of comma colon I gave comma. That's why it's giving error. So that's why I am asking you to use Visual Studio. So why I'm preferring here, I can come to exactly here. You can see red color, but app edu blocks won't give exactly where is the error. Simply it will give bad input line. But in Visual Studio, the Visual Studio will be very intelligent. It will give where is the exact error. For example, here I have to give double quotes. After each record, I have to give comma, but between these two record, this parameter, we are giving city Chennai, right? I have to give colon. Okay. Now error gone. So if I save it and run it again, it will give his age is 9. So same way I will come to blocks. In the blocks, I'm giving the
In city
yeah,
state.
yeah, yeah. In the city, I give instead of colon, I give comma. Okay. So now this is the working. Yeah, age I got it. So now I'm say checking. So where is language? What is the language of Zahid? Language.
Language.
Very good. Okay. So when I run Urdu, okay, very good. So like that, you can, for example, I want to add one more student record. Okay, I want to add one more student record. I will ask one more student here. Any student? Lukman, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going to create one record for Lukman. Same way, what Zahid record I create, I will create
Sir,
one.
it's Q, not K.
Okay, sorry. L U
Q.
Q M A N. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, Lukman I have
Sir,
created
can you
and
show it how you did in Visual Code?
Visual Studio is simple. So Visual Studio only we don't have drag and drop. So
Okay.
Visual Studio only you can create like this. LUQMAN space equal to space and curly bracket. Then you can give full name. Simple how you type in Notepad like that you can type in Visual Studio. So yeah, Visual Studio full name. Then here I can give double quotes and Muhammad. What is full name, Lukman?
Yes.
What is your full name?
Lukman Khan.
Lukman Khan. Okay. Lukman Khan. Yeah. So now I am printing age. So what is your age?
11.
11. Okay. So now which country you are belongs to?
Pakistan.
Okay. You are belongs to Pakistan. Okay. So your mother tongue native language is Urdu. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So language is Urdu. Nice. Okay. So I have created like this same way. In Edu blocks also you can create like that same way. Yeah. So here you can open curly bracket and inside that you can give full name and age, country, everything you can give here. If I want to print the Lukman details, I can give print. And if I again I can give Lukman and open bracket in double quotes. I want to know what is the language Lukman is speaking. Okay, native language. So when I run, so I got Urdu. Okay, this is Zahid age came, Lukman name, our language came. Got it? So this is like a dictionary. Dictionary is used to create a key and value pair. Here key is like a full name and value is the name. Age 9, country. So pair is there, right? Key and value. That is called dictionary. Name is there.
Sir,
So
but my code is there and Lukman's code is also there.
yeah, because two print is there. Na? Here I have two print statement. Okay. We can have n number of code. I can create one more data for Nihal, one more data for Afaf, or like that. Okay, one more data for Samir.
Yes,
So
sir, it
like that,
can.
yeah, like that you can add n number of data. You can print n number. Okay, no issues. Okay, now you understood list and dictionary. Clear? Any doubt on this? You try. No, don't try now. You just listen and in home in 1 week time is there, right? That time you can try. So now we are going to create new topic, arithmetic operation. Very easy topic. Okay, very easy. So you know like mathematics, right? All know mathematics. So now we are going to create simple addition subtraction by using Python.
I
Got it?
saw one YouTube video about calculator.
Okay, and now listen, I will teach you. So now what I'm going to do in the edu blocks, I'm going to create print. Okay, not here. I'm just going to take the statement. I'm
Statement.
printing variable. Inside variable, what I'm going to do, 5 plus 3. Simple. Okay, very easy. 8 is came. So here you want to add any number, you have to give only plus. So now I'm giving 5 minus 3. Okay, don't take with double quotes, take without double quotes and remove variable and put the number. Very easy. 5 minus 3, 2 came. So now what is the multiplication? Here don't give, there is no in the key.
Asterisk.
Yeah, in the keyboard you cannot see multiplication symbol. Instead of that, put asterisk. So 5 asterisk 3 is
Division
the
is slash.
15. Yeah. So division is slash.
Slash.
Okay. Yeah. Division is slash. Here one trick is there. I don't want decimal point. I want whole number. So for in that case, you have to
So we
give
have to
double.
put it as integer, right?
No, 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 no. This is only printing. So we are not defining any integer here. We are just printing here. What is the value we got? We are printing. So if you want, if you don't want decimal number, you want whole number, just give double slash. So now you can get double slash. Got it? Okay. So I want to ask one question. Okay, I will remove double slash. I will ask one question, basic question. So this one is the quotient or remainder. What is this 1.66? It's a quotient, right? You are calling in division. Divide.
Yes.
Okay, this is the 1.6 is the
Yeah, we are
quotient.
calling the quotient only for division answer.
Okay, okay, this is quotient or remainder. What is this? What is
Quotient.
quotient? What is remainder?
Remainder is
Reminder
the left,
means
the number that is left.
the
No, no,
left number.
no, 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 no. The remainder is not left number. Okay. When I divide 5 by 3, quotient is 1.6. Okay. What is a remainder?
Sir, the point 6 is the
2.
remainder.
No,
Point
no,
6.
no, no,
2 is
no.
the remainder.
2 is the remainder. Who gave answer? Who
Sir,
said 2?
Afa.
Half. Very good, very good. 2 is the remainder. When I divide 5 divided by 3, 1.6 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder. When I divide by 7, I divide by 6, 1 is the quotient and remaining 1 is the remainder. Okay, 5 divided by 2. If I give 5 divided by 2, 1 is the remainder. Okay, so if I want to get remainder, you have to give percentage symbol. Okay, if you give percentage symbol, 5 percentage 3, that will give the remainder. Okay, so it will give the remainder. Okay, so if you want quotient, you give slash. If you want quotient whole number, don't want decimal number like integer. Okay, one student said, then give double slash. You want remainder, you don't want quotient, you want remainder, just give percentage symbol. Understood? Okay, okay, got it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
okay, okay, now I want power of. What is the 2 to the power of 3? 2 the power of 3, what is the value? You know, I think higher class you will learn power of. What is mean by power of here is 2 to the power of 3 means you have to do multiplication 2 into 3 times, 2 into 2 into
In which standard?
this is my higher grade, but I will tell you the power of one more arithmetic is 2. We have to multiply 2 into 3 times, that is called power of.
But I
Okay,
don't know this
no
about
problem.
this.
Okay, no problem. You are learning in the higher grade. Okay. So how that is a power of means you have to this multiply the first number into how many times. For example, I want to multiply 2 into 3 times. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So that I have to give double
It is
multiply.
answer.
Yeah, double asterisk. If you give double asterisk, it will give the power of 2 to the power of 3, 8 came. So 2 times we are multiplying, 3 times we are multiplying 3, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So what is the power of 5 asterisk asterisk 3? Anybody can tell? What is the 5 power of 3? What value will come? 5 multiplication 5 multiplication 5. 5.
1 to 5.
Very good.
125.
Yeah. 5 then 5 then 5. 3 times 5. So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. Very good. Okay. Yeah. So when I stop and run, you can see 125. Got it? Okay. So these are arithmetic operation. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power. So all we done. Okay. So there are more things are there. If you go to more higher level, there is a math function is there. You can calculate cos, sine. When you go to grade 8, grade 10, it will be very useful. You
I
can give.
saw it in
Mm,
YouTube, I told, right?
Okay.
It gave me the option that true plus true, or the
Okay.
first one.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now 2 plus 2. Okay, so now we learn list, dictionary, arithmetic operations. I think this is enough for now. So next session we will discuss about conditional statement. I thought to start today itself, but almost only 10 more minutes are there. So like if condition, okay, if condition. So I will give one quick example what is conditional statement. More detail next week we'll discuss. Okay. Well, here you can see if statement. If where is the logic? Yeah, logic here. If okay. For example, I will create one variable. Create one variable. My mark. Okay, my marks. So my marks is 50. Okay. If I take more than 50, for example, my mark is 80. If I take more than 50, I am pass. Less than 80, 50, I am fail. How I can do? By using if statement. You can put one if condition. That is called logic. So logic, I am copying here. Here I am checking marks is greater than 50. Then I am printing you are pass. Else again you can go, you can have logic. Else I'm duplicating this, I'm putting here you are sorry, you are fail. Okay, but try again. Got it? So I have created one variable 80. I'm checking if condition. If means it will check the condition. You are passing some condition. It will check whether it is a true or false. If my mark is 50, I am printing pass. If it is less, if it's less than 50, I'm printing fail. So now I'm asking question. When I run this code, what will be output? What output will be get? Tell Zahid. Other student Afaf, can you tell what output will come when I run this code?
Sir, when you run this code, your pass will come.
Very good. Okay, when I run this code, I will get your pass. So now my mark is only 30. So what will come?
You
You
have
are failed.
You are failed.
Yes, you are fail. Okay, sorry, you are fail. Try again. Got it? Okay. So that's enough for today. So we can finish the class. So those who are having issue with Visual Studio, you can